should leave you to die for what you did.
Why wouldn't you?
I'm gonna find that sniper first.
Really? You do that for me?
A life for a life. After that, we're fucking done.
See that goddamn sniper?
No, nothing.
Use your binoculars.
Shut up. I'm done listening to your sage advice.
I know I fucked up.
Let's leave it at that.
I know I fucked up.
Let's leave it at that.
Those bolts fly far and fast. Find something to hide behind.
Tell me something I don't already know, Hakon.
Watch out for all the chemical waste.
I got eyes, Hakon.
Aiden, you alright?
Yep, I'm fine.
Clever fucker. Shut the tanks.
God, fuck. Hakon, I'm a shit duck.
Run, boy.
Prick's got
Run.
an eagle
I
eye.
see him, Aiden. He's sticking to the roofs. Go.
I'm a shit duck.
Run, boy. Run.
That prick's got an eagle eye.
I see him, Aiden. He's sticking to the roofs. Go. Watch out for all the chemical waste.
I got eyes, Hakon. Drop the ladder.
Well, so much for surprise. We figured something out. Still in one piece.
For now, yes. I gotta get behind him somehow.
Fucking William Tell. Forget to be like that.
Who else wants to kill you, Hakon? Ader? The PKs?
I lost track ages ago.
Gotcha, fucker. What?
Why are you protecting that asshole?
Who sent you?
Fucking Santa Claus. This has nothing to do with you. You gotta pick your friends better.
Why are you hunting Hakon? Was this about killing Lucas, or?
Tell Hakon that it's not over yet.
Hey, wait! Ah. Hakon, you still alive?
My meter's still running?
Hakon, she got away. But you're safe. For now.
She? There was a woman. Fuck.
Yeah? And I don't think she likes you. That sounded personal.
Personal, huh? Doesn't usually narrow it down. But I know who it is. Watch out for her, Eden. She's one of the most dangerous people you'll ever meet.
Yeah, noted. Now I'm going to the central loop.
Beware of Waltz, Eden. Renegades have appeared all over the center, and he's working with them. He's looking for the key you've got.
I'm done listening to your advice. Ader, come in.
Aiden, tell me what's cooking.
Oh, you have no idea. Barney and Sophie, they didn't kill Lucas. Hakon did.
What? How?
Waltz had him do it. And that completes my part of our deal. Your turn.
Wait. Aiden, did you see Waltz? You know where he's hiding?
He's at the old car factory.
So we're gonna meet there. Waltz is bloody dangerous, Aiden. He's a renegade. We have to get him.
And what about the central loop?
The central loop will stay put. Waltz won't. Trust me. I'll see you at the factory.
Ader, so what do you know about Waltz?
Not much. I heard that years ago he got kicked out of the GRE for running illegal experiments. Now he's the butcher's right hand. We've been looking for him, sure. Been looking for many of them, but maybe something changed and Waltz climbed the ranks.
Why did he want Lucas dead?
That's gonna be the first thing I'll ask once we get to him.
Damn it! Run! Are you kidding me?
Hurry! Run! Gotta get ahead of those fighters! Voltage drops again. How much? 5%, give or
Holes in
take.
your shoes doesn't mean you're poor. If you got no one to lean on, that's when you know you hit rock bottom.
I hope the kids are all right. Haven't seen them for weeks.
Bite the bullet, John. Leaves tomorrow.
He'd spit out who killed Lucas right away.
I'm around if you need me, Glenn.
Do you think they'll try and get revenge?
Good to know the squad
If
has
I
my
know
back
them, they're
these
sure
days.
gonna try.
I got the goods.
I don't know. Seems they're more apt to fight each other now.
We could use some more men.
I was thinking about that too.
Gotta ask Ader what his plans are.
Other people pass that by. Don't know why.
I hope Jackman deals with these damn renegades.
A
Don't
man
want
of
my name
taste.
ending up in some memorial down in the streets.
Now that's what I call a good purchase. Pleasure doing business with you.
Command, we lost track of the fugitive. Over.
Pilgrim, Quarry End is not safe at this hour. Find a spot for the rest of the barracks and pack a bag.
Renegades and PKs is called a stalemate. Get moving. Get moving, citizen.
This feud is silly. We all want peace. Jack you up! Suck on this! Fuckhead! You're toast! Take this! You had enough yet? Got you down! Yeah! That was just a warm-up! Steady!
Looking for a beat? One more move and you're dead. You want to think hard before your next move.